Hello, dear ladies. Dash from the Inner Child Meditation Podcast has prepared this for you. I hope you practice it every night before sleep to heal the energies and wounds of your inner child. Let's begin. Light a candle. Burn some incense and circle it around your aura. Sit or lie down in a quiet place. If you're lying down, keep your feet shoulder-width apart and your spine straight. If you're sitting, make sure your spine is fully upright and aligned. Now start taking deep breaths. Take 3 deep breaths. Make sure they are diaphragmatic breaths, as I explained in my previous podcasts. I'll give you a few seconds to take these 3 deep breaths. With each inhale, draw in calmness and peace. With each exhale, release all tension. With every inhale, visualize a white energy entering your body, cleansing you. And with every exhale, release that energy out of your body. Now imagine yourself inside a golden bubble. Rotate your hands counterclockwise. A circular portal begins to open. Pa. Set your intention for healing and cleansing your inner child. Pause. Now I want you to visualize yourself entering this portal. Imagine stepping into a beautiful forest or garden. A glowing path appears before you. Walk forward step by step until you reach a small house. Now see the house. I want you to open the door and step inside. As you do, you see a child sitting there. This child is your inner child. Look at them. How do they feel? Are they sad? Hurt? Lonely? Tell them, I see you. I hear you. Now gently embrace your inner child. Start speaking with them. Ask, what made you sad? Now ask, what makes you happy? Tell them, I am here for you. I am sorry for abandoning you. Hold them. Give them a sense of safety and warmth. Apologize for neglecting them. Ask them what they need from you. Allow your inner child to speak with you, whether through words or feelings. Tell them, I promise to always be with you from now on. Now I'll give you a few moments to connect deeply with your inner child. Very good. Now that you have embraced your inner child, visualize a golden light surrounding both of you. Feel your inner child merging into your heart space. Now slowly start returning to the present moment. Reopen the large portal by rotating your hands counterclockwise. Step through it and return. Now gently move your hands and feet. Listen to the sounds around you. Slowly open your eyes. Take a few moments to stay in this state. One final practice. After this meditation, write down your emotions in a journal. Throughout the day, speak to your inner child and support them. Practice this meditation several times a week, preferably before bed, to deepen your connection. Take care of your kindness, your feminine energy, and your inner child. Until the next podcast, goodbye.